Runners often face problems with their hips and knees. Oftentimes they'll have pain on the outside of their hips or the outside of their knees, some general soreness. Sometimes it's while you're running, sometimes it's after you're done running, either behind your knee, on the side of your knee, or the side of your hip. Frequently, patients will start to run and not have a proper training program, so they start doing too many miles without strengthening properly or stretching properly. Another common cause of problems for runners can include overuse, and typically this happens when people don't rest properly in between their runs. Warning signs that runners should be aware of include pain, of course, but some things that people are not so aware of is any kind of soreness that doesn't go away with rest, or any kind of limping, any kind of change in your walk, anything that doesn't go away after you take a break from running. If runners do the proper techniques for prevention, they'd be able to run for longer throughout their lifespan. Not only that, but they'd be able to run quicker, they'd be able to enjoy their runs, and then hopefully never have any injuries with running. Body One is very centered on patient care. You have a one-on-one treatment approach, and we work with you in order to get you back into your goal of running. Our first goal for runners is, of course, to get their pain level down so they're able to go through their daily life with no pain. We know that you love running, so our goal for you is to get back to running. So we'll start with proper pain management, and then we'll begin to get you into a gradual return to running program so you can meet the goals that you want to meet.
The first stretch we're going to do is a hamstring stretch. So I'm going to have you take your right foot, place it out in front of you, keep your toe up, and then gently come forward. Very good, and you should be feeling a stretch right here at the back of your hamstring. You're going to want to hold that for about 30 seconds, and then relax. The next stretch we're going to do is going to be for your hip flexors. So what you want to do is take a step forward with your left, keep the back leg straight, and then lunge forward. You want to make sure that the left knee goes right over your left toes, and you should feel a good stretch right here in the right hip flexor. And again, you want to try and hold this for about 30 seconds. The next stretch we're going to do is for the IT band, which is on the outside of the hip. So what I'm going to have you do is take the left foot and cross it over your right. Excellent. And then take your right hip and kind of pop it out to the side, and you should feel a good stretch along the outside of your hip, maybe down the outside of your leg. And again, hold for about 30 seconds. The last stretch we're going to show you today is going to be for your calf. So to stretch the right calf, you want to take the right foot back, keep the right leg straight, make sure the heel stays on the ground, and then lunge forward. And you should feel this right here in your calf. And hold for about 30 seconds. If you do these 4 stretches after every run, you can help prevent any type of running injuries, increase the distance that you run, and also prolong your running career.